How to host multiplayer Palworld Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to host a multiplayer world on Xbox. It's a really simple process, so follow along as I showcase on how to host a non-dedicated server for you and your friends to play together. A quick note, if you're on an Xbox console, you can cross-play with the PC Game Pass users. You can play with those on the Xbox console and PC, which is Game Pass version, but not with the Steam users currently. In order to start, go to the Start game and create a new world. Ensure that the multiplayer is enabled, and you can also join on existing world if you have one. Remember that setting multiplayer to on is crucial. You can adjust the settings later, but initially ensure that the multiplayer is active during the world creation. After setting up the world, you can join the existing world or create a new one if needed. Go to the Change World settings and enable the multiplayer. Start the game with the multiplayer enabled, and it's advisable for the host, especially if on PC, to have a good hardware and be consistently available. If the host leaves, all the players will be disconnected. Once in the game, pause by pressing Start and go to the Options tab to find the invite code. Share this code with your friends to join the game, and remember that the host must stay in the game. To join, select Join Multiplayer Game and enter the code. The code changes every time you host a multiplayer world, so always share the new code when inviting others. I hope this guide on hosting a multiplayer world on Xbox was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and share and subscribe for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.